It's 4:30 a.m. and we are in. We're walking in through downtown Disney to go get in line for Galaxy's Edge opening day, first spot of the morning. We've collected coffee. It is very early and we're headed down to see what the line looks like and see what this craziness looks like.
Not only that, but to get in the line. Get
in the line ourselves.
Part of this.
We're not just looking. We're not just spectators. We are in the action. Not even 5 a.m. yet, and look, in line with everybody else, waiting to be the first ones to get in to Disneyland. Our time slot this morning is 8 a.m., but we can check in 2 hours before at 6 a.m. and we'll be ready. We were just given the guide map for today. Feels good to be back at Disneyland. I'm in. This is only my second time at Disneyland, and this is my first time seeing the castle because it was covered by construction tarp thingies last time. We're just relaxing up here on the second floor of the train station while we wait for our friends who are meeting up with us, looking over the brochure and just working out our game plan. Main Street is so pretty at this time and nearly empty. But people are definitely starting to come in. Here we are, ready, right under the livery is where we enter to get our wristbands for our 8 a.m. reservation. Allie. Hi. Justin.
Oh my gosh, I'm super enthused about this today.
Me too. The hustle begins. Here we are. It's the mad crush to get our wristbands. Almost there. Almost there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We've run into Poe Dameron from Star Wars. It's
Episode
Poe
9.
himself. And he gave me one of his gloves. I traded him for just, you know.
No, it wasn't a trade. I
video.
didn't get anything back.
You didn't get anything back. This is all you get.
Yeah.
So we're going in. We're gonna see you at Smugglers Run. What are you gonna be? What role are you gonna try to?
Well, I'd like to be pilot if that's okay.
I'll be gunner, I guess.
Yeah.
Pew pew.
Good,
I'll wear my glove. Pew pew.
So excited.
So excited to see you guys in there.
Yes.
Yeah. Back out, Vincent. Come back. Let's do it again. Right, back out.
I ordered this online.
We've got our wristbands. Now we wait. This winding line right here is for merch. Oh, these people are waiting for opening day merch. Freshly, not baked, but like, you know, just, you know, we get that all the time, but we are psyched. We're freshly enthused. Yes!
So we can like be superly enthused, bakedly fresh. I just made something up.
I like it. Go with it, people. Go with it. They're having us hold up our wristbands as we pass through multiple checkpoints. So everyone's kind of like raising the roof-ish. Yeah! Yes! Yes! Yay!
The first field day. It's happening.
Oh my gosh! We're being greeted by a procession of cast members. Can you see anything up there?
Barely. We're almost in. Almost there.
We're so close! They just did a giant countdown of opening the gates for the first time on the first day of official being open to the public. Keep your distance, but like, you know, don't make it look like you're keeping your distance. Bright suns! Bright suns! Bright suns! Bright suns! Oh my gosh, I'm getting bright suns from everyone! So that's the official greeting here. We rushed back to the cantina and the line is already closed off. So we're gonna have to try back later. Hopefully we can get in. Everyone's getting photo ops. Everyone's very, very excited right now. Every once in a while some steam comes out of the bottom. Everyone's just hooting and hollering. It looks amazing.
Got some blue milk here. You want to try some of this blue milk?
I'm so thirsty.
Get in there.
Some Bappa milk for me. It's hearty. It's good. It's like a pina colada. If you like pina colada and drinking Bappa milk dun, 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 in front of Millennium Falcon, then you're in the right place. Dun, dun, dun. It's good. It's refreshing. It's kind of like coconutty, like a little fruity. It's very light.
Fruity and some coconut in there as well,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, it's a little light. It's not thick. It's not like milkshakey or anything like that. All right, there's lines everywhere, so we'll see what we do next. I have found Mr. Michael, Mr. Blair, Mr. Michael over here. Are you like emotional right now?
I'm emotional. Look at this. Just look at this. This is unreal.
It's
Unbelievable.
so beautiful.
It's unlike anything I've ever seen before. This is the first 5 minutes in the park. First
Yeah,
5 minutes.
and the cheering and the countdown and
I
the
love
cast
it. The
members
whole excitement of
greeting
everything.
us. Oh my gosh.
You can feel it, right, palpable?
Yeah. So we tried to get in line for the cantina.
It's capped off already.
Capped off,
Yeah.
and we like
First thing in the morning.
in. So know that, guys, but we're still gonna drink.
Oh,
I'm
I'm
hiding
feeling it.
my
I'm feeling
tears
it. I'm feeling it.
with my sunglasses. All right. Wow. We're in Docking Bay 7, Food and Cargo. It is so beautifully themed, and it's not crowded at all. Completely open seating areas right now. You know this is going to be crowded at some point. This is so cool. These little bay areas. Look at these cool. So they have some unique food offerings. So this looks like breakfast. Bright Sun's morning, Mustafarian lava roll. They even have the Bright Sun's youngling breakfast, specialty beverages. Wow, it looks like they're just waiting for us to order, but everyone's just soaking in all the decor and cool stuff everywhere. What's this?
Some fresh imports from Cookie.
Ah, excellent. We pretty much have the place to ourselves right now. This is such a cool way to explore and check out all the beautifully themed details. The droid's hard at work in Ronto Roasters, roasting up the meat for all the guests here. Something is going on in there, some roasting perhaps. So here in Ronto Roasters is where you can get the Ronto wrap, the Ronto morning wrap, and it's like roasted pork and sausage. It looks really good, and people seem to be liking it. We're heading into Doc Ondar's Den of Antiquities. It's framed by some of the black spires and these really cool statues. Doc Ondar's in there watching over his whole den of antiquities. Where are we from and not from? Just sort of watching over the whole den and all the activities. There he goes. There are quite a lot of antiquities in here. Aliens of every variety, and items and artifacts, helmets, even some trophies over here. Are we all clear? All clear?
Good. We know what you're doing.
They do not take rebel activity lightly here at Spire Outpost, so play it cool, keep it cool, don't rile up any suspicions. We're just here to trade maybe purchase some things, and hide out on the edge of the galaxy. Shh, the loft cat is sleeping. Oh, he's got a little Porg toy in there. Everywhere you look, there are panels and lights, indicators that you are in a different world. It looks like you picked up a little pet. You picked up a friend?
Salacious.
So he's gonna be coming with us for the rest of the day?
All day.
All right.
And when he's tired of sitting on my shoulder, he's going in the back.
Right in the back. Maybe you can sit on my shoulder too, that's fine. Here's a little froggy thing, a twort maybe. There he goes. This is the entrance to Black Spire Outpost from the Critter Country area. And all the sounds mask everything that's going on outside so that you're fully immersed in the outpost when you enter. It blends pretty seamlessly from the mountainous area into the rugged looking outpost area. You know how Disney does. Even the trash bins are themed. Oh, something's going on here. We've got Chewie over here.
Chewie.
You got this. There he goes. Those skills to work, Chewie. Way up there, if you see those 3 containers, they say 77, 80, and 83. Those are the years that the original trilogy was released. And they kind of make a hidden Mickey up there. Pretty cool. Earlier today, this was a madhouse when we got in with the first group of people on the first day that Galaxy's Edge was open to the public. And now everybody's in here enjoying it, so it's empty over here. The next group comes in at 11. We're still making the most of our time in here. Looks like we've got some droids here.
The droid. They're not that good.
We're just taking scans to see if there's any that are worth anything over here.
That's fair. I like that one.
Are any okay? What do you think? Any worth the price of...
The big guy is pretty good. He does a lot of heavy work.
How many credits is he going for?
You'd have to go to the droid depot and ask.
Okay, we'll go ask. We're gonna pop into the droid depot and see how much these are going for. We've got droid parts hanging on this rotating line up here. Everything you could possibly need. Oh, these are the magnets, right? That grab, so there's like a head, if you need a head or replacement part. There's an arm right there. All your droid needs can be fulfilled here. Looks like we've got some quality and maybe not so quality parts, but enough to work with. We can make this happen. We can make something out of these parts. Quite a variety up here.
That's affirmative. Someone's intercepting our comm channels. We'll find them. We've got eyes on you and your device.
It's about that time to ride Smugglers Run. The wait time ride is 25 minutes right now. They're seeking pilots. Hopefully I get to be a pilot. We'll see. We'll see. From the Smugglers Run queue, you get a view of the backside of the Millennium Falcon. There's 2 layers of fence around it. Yes, a very unique view from back here. What do you guys think? What role am I gonna get? I don't know if you're allowed to pick or they just assign you. We're gonna find out. There is hardly any line right now. Vincent! Vincent! We'll see you. We'll see you.
That can't be good. That's not the problem. We'll get this fixed right up.
Smell the fresh rubber on the floor, walkways. Everything smells brand new. About to fly this. Multiple different angles of the Millennium Falcon from the queue. I got a bad feeling about this. We've got some schematics up here on the screens of the different roles that we can play while flying the Millennium Falcon. You can be a pilot, a gunner or an engineer. And their pilots, there are two different pilots. One that moves left and right, and one that moves up and down. So even there's some variety in your roles.
Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. You worry too much off high.
Honda's looking for pilots, gunners, and engineers. You guys have the blue
Pilots.
credentials.
Pilots!
To those cars, you guys will work together.
I'm a pilot?
Yeah, we're both pilots.
Do I have the
Coming on here, please.
do I have the skills?
Yes, you better. It's like there's a helmet back there. Okay, we're pilots, so we're first. Pilots first! Pilots first! That's right, we've got to pilot this thing. I don't know what I'm doing over here.
What's happening right now in our lives?
Right this way,
I don't know, but we're piloting, I guess. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this and
Luck
do
to
it right.
you all.
Oh my Lord, what's happening?
Oh boy. Oh my gosh. We're the pilots. How did this happen? We've got to pilot this thing. Better, Jenna? Good job.
Go ahead, do your game.
You guys got this? You can shoot everything? No choice now. Shoot everything. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh no!
Pilot on the right, you pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly left. Pilot,
Yes?
hit the boosters.
Emma, stop shooting. I did it.
Now let's get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Fast? How do I go light speed?
Light speed, yes.
Yes.
Take evasive action.
Oh my gosh.
Evasive action.
It's out of danger.
I'm trying.
That was my fault. That was my bad.
That was your fault.
Now power up the ship. Well, I am the coaxial.
I did it.
Good job.
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieved one container of coaxial. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. All right, my friends.
Not a scratch,
You
come on.
brought the Falcon back in one piece, and I guess that is something. Not a lot, but something. Welcome back to Batuu. Thank you.
We made it.
We made it.
We did it.
Woo!
We still have 12 screws left over.
What happened to the 13th? See, first problem is you don't know how many screws you have left over. You gotta get a good count first, and then maybe we can help
I
you
don't
out.
want to mess this up. The Wookiee is scary.
Yeah, he's a little intimidating.
All right, well, I'll try. Thanks.
Good luck. You're gonna need it. Just piloted the Millennium Falcon, and I think we pretty much did really well.
Props to our gunners back there. They were doing a heck of a job.
The gunners were gunning, the engineers were engineering. After all the damage, we might be in a little deep, so we may have to go earn some credits somehow to pay Hondo back, but
It was very stressful.
it was really
We
stressful.
gotta hit that cantina. And
We're gonna try to get in the
relieve some
cantina.
stress.
This is gonna be our third try. So far, no dice, but hopefully third time's a
Say
charm.
third time's a charm.
Let's go, let's try.
Rumor has it he didn't make it. True. Rumor has it she made him out into a fur pelt. So rumor has it
Wow.
Oh, that is the fur pelt right there.
Going to the bar.
Okay.
It is very crowded in there. It's standing room only.
We're going in. Woo! We're in. Allie, we're in. How do we feel?
So excited.
I feel the same way. I can't like even speak out my voice.
I want to try something.
Me too. We are in a cool club. So this side of the menu has non-alcoholic concoctions and some provisions.
Yeah, that's
pretty much what we did. Yeah.
And this side of the menu has concoctions with alcohol, and they have beers on tap and wine on tap. That is very cool.
I'm getting the hang of this. As a singer that needs no introduction, but that's my job, so here she is, that galactic diva, Gaia!
Much better DJ than you were a pilot, right? This is so much fun and such a cool atmosphere. Until next time, Cantina. Until next time, until the Spire. Here we go. The 11 o'clock group is about to be let in. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We found Sam. You have an awesome shirt on. I know you don't like being in vlogs, but say hi.
I am now in your vlog.
Bright Suns.
Bright Suns.
You're about to go in.
I'm about to go in.
Are you so excited? It actually is Bright Sun, but there's 3 in there. There's 3 in there.
People's equipment, make sure everything is working properly. Like, look, I found this on the floor. This is a very important piece to the Millennium Falcon. It's a shame. It's a good thing I found it, or else we'd never get this thing off the ground.
Yeah.
Crowds are perfect cover for resistance fighters.
Not us.
We will be watching suspicion.
We'll be good. We'll be good. I had to get one piece of merchandise, so I got a black Spire Outpost shirt. I would be worthy of getting a pilot keychain because I was a pilot, but maybe next time. I also got the reusable Galaxy's Edge bag. Yay, another reusable bag to add to my collection.
Side civilian. All right.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I'm with Kylo now. No, you're
No, Justin! Justin, no!
Come back to the light.
What is your allegiance?
I joined the dark side.
Oh no!
Kylo now.
There's a sense of disturbance in the Justin.
Falcon.
Rachel, don't join. You too.
Have you seen the Wookiee? Care to explain how you've missed that, Trooper?
Sir, that's no ordinary Wookiee.
That Wookiee is a threat. You are toy soldiers.
We're sorry, sir. Our day just got worse. Here we go.
Move aside.
I'm watching you.
He's not impressed.
That went poorly.
Spires.
It's the new drink that everyone's raving about.
Raving. That's not what you meant. Good. It's really good. Follow that droid. He looks like trouble. Hi, buddy. Yes, I did have a fun day. How about you? I've been hiding all day too. You know what I'm saying? Keeping it under wraps from those stormtroopers. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, yes. I did get to pilot. I did. Thank you for asking. Okay, have a great day. Bye. Sorry.
Clear this path.
Opening day. We stayed clear of the First Order, and we stayed true to the Resistance. I think it's time to go. How do we get out of here? Maybe if I follow these droid tracks, I'll find my way out. See? Just follow the droid tracks. Oh, so many humans. So many humans. That's it. Bright Suns. All done. We're all done. Goodbye, Black Spire Outpost. We will see you again. We will see you and the Suns again soon. To the Spire. day full of excitement, a little overwhelming, a lot of fun.
That will be a day long remembered.
That too. I got the opening day pin. Show you guys my haul a little bit before we close out. Got a black Spire Outpost shirt, and I got the cool and unique Coca-Cola that looks like a thermal detonator or something of that nature. So that is it. We are done. It is time to rest, recover, and wait for the next adventure. So until then, thank you guys for watching, and stay enthused. Till the Spire.